Streamplify has sent me the Light 10, which is a ring light and a really small one. So we're gonna unpack it and test it out. This is the box. So right away we see the ring light. This is the ring light. It's really small, fits around my head. But I guess that's the idea of a small ring light. It comes with a phone holder, a little tripod, you can extend the legs just a little bit, and then we also have this thing, which if you open this up, you can put in here. This is actually how you attach your phone to the ring light, because there is this little screw in here, so you can put your phone here for filming, for TikTok for example, or if you want to use it as a webcam. And then we've got this one for your camera. If you put this in here, you can attach your camera here in the top. You can just attach this to the tripod at the bottom, or any tripod, because it just has a basic screw in here, so you can use any tripod for it. So if you look at the power, it is a USB controlled key light. It does have some adjustment buttons here, plus, minus, seems like a cycle through settings, and an on off switch as well. So that's what it has. Let's take a look at how it looks like. Okay, so it's on. This is how it will look as a side light, as a front light. The other side as a backlight. I think I like it most as a backlight. Look, the hair light is pretty good on it. Like I said, there were settings. We can cycle through some settings. This is a little bit of a warmer color, colder, a little bit less bright, warmer color. So there seem to be 4, I think. No, three different ones on it right now. But we can change things with a plus and minus, I think. Yeah, we can make it less bright. So now it's not bright at all. Let's bump it up. See how bright it goes. Seems like this is the brightest it goes right now. Oh, this is the brightest. Thank you so much again, Streamplify, for sending me the ring light 10. Thank you so much.